There are different ways in which you can make a slip knot in order to start your crochet project. I'm going to show you one that does not even require a hook. So just hold on to the end of your yarn with your thumb and your middle finger. Wrap the yarn around your index finger and your middle finger, making sure that you cross the yarn over. And then I'm going inside the loop I created to pick up a loop of the yarn coming from the ball. I hold on to this loop, I let go of the index and middle finger, I keep hold of the yarn with my thumb, and then I pull in both directions. And then here we go. I have this adjustable loop that I can make smaller to adapt to my hook, and I'm ready to go. So at this point you don't want it to be too tight. You need to have enough room so that the head of your hook can pass through. Okay, you're ready to crochet.